Thank you, Chairman Bateman. I rise in strong support of H.R. 1534, the Innovative Mitigation Partnerships for Asphalt and Concrete Technologies Act, or more simply known as the Impact Act, which is a lot easier to say. I introduced this bill with my Science Committee colleague, Ms. Fouché, because we understand that the production of cement, concrete, and asphalt play a fundamental role in supporting United States infrastructure, national defense, and economic security. The cement and concrete industry contributes over $130 billion to the United States economy and employs over 577,000 people. In Ohio alone, this industry has an economic contribution of $4.6 billion to the state. But it's no secret that the processes behind these products are extremely difficult to decarbonize, and that American cement and concrete manufacturers must compete in a market that increasingly values lower carbon products. The leading companies and associations of this industry have committed to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 and have made impressive progress thus far, reducing its carbon footprint by 21% since 2014. But more progress can be made, and with projected demand for cement expected to increase by 12% by 2050, utilizing the best scientific resources of the federal government will help manufacturers further reduce emissions of the products essential to our economy and civilization. The Impact Act will support those resources while strengthening and enhancing the competitiveness of American manufacturing through advanced technologies that can be exported around the globe. We all want to see cement, concrete, and asphalt production continue to rise and help grow our country that is critical to our economic well-being. And we all want to see that this growth go hand in hand with environmental stewardship, leaving our air and water just as pristine for the next generation. The Impact Act builds on previous industrial decarbonization efforts by focusing specifically on cement, concrete, and asphalt. It enables industry and the Department of Energy to work collaboratively on fundamental research that will enhance existing production methods and unlock new innovative techniques. This will ensure that the world-class tools and technologies at DOE are being used by the very taxpayers who funded them. It also enables DOE, in consultation with other federal agencies, to offer technical assistance to entities seeking to promote the commercial application of low-emission cement, concrete, and asphalt. This ensures that industry can continue their cutting-edge research unencumbered, but if they do hit a roadblock, there are subject matter experts available to assist them. This bill is the perfect example of how the federal government can advance tangible environmental goals for construction material production without sacrificing material performance or, more importantly, economic growth that benefits every single citizen throughout our country. I want to thank my colleague from North Carolina, Ms. Fouché, for co-sponsoring this bill and working in a bipartisan fashion to get here today. I urge all of my colleagues to support this bill, and I yield the balance of my time.